Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, as some of you would have received GIM's Achiever call, and since the interview is near, I guess it's starting from 16 to 22 of January. Um, I myself is giving GIM's interview of the Achiever round at it, and it is scheduled in on the weekend. Okay, so basically, I'm here to share what I am doing for the preparation of GIM's Achiever round. So let's get started. So before starting, I just want to make this clear that I am not taking any GDPI or VAT classes. One of the reason is that I have some good resources, like free resource, VAT and GDPI. So that is one of the reason. And second one is like one of my friend is an IM and he's helping me with the interviews. So yeah. Also, I could share all the details he shared with me. Just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so how I am going, like I am preparing. First of all, take a A4 size sheet or just open your MS Word and write the story of your life. Okay, starting with the city in which you were born, or the school, the extracurriculars that you did, college, the college in which you studied, the courses that you took, and then the society clubs which you were part of. For example, I was the head girl in my school, so I wrote down all the roles and responsibilities I had during my tenure of head girl. And similarly, I was the event head in my college, so I wrote down all the roles and responsibilities I have to perform there. Okay, and since I have the work as well, I wrote down everything I did, all the clients that I served. So I wrote down everything in detail. Okay, and if you guys have volunteering experience, also wrote down. And then comes hobbies. The thing is, I haven't written this part yet because I'm still figuring out what my hobby is. Many people used to write the sports they love, but I'm not pretty sure I'm into like a lot of sports or any sport. So most probably तो मैं reading लिखने वाली हूँ और traveling लिखने वाली हूँ, but I haven't figured it out yet. Okay. So once your story of my life is done, almost everything is done. ठीक है, क्योंकि this will act as the basis of all your answers. Also remember, जब भी story of life लिखोगे ना, do write about the city in which you were born. उसके बारे में सब चीज़ें लिखना. Who are the politicians, टूरिज्म क्या है, क्या इंपॉर्टेंट ऐसे हेरिटेज पॉइंट्स है या फिर कुछ भी ऐसा है इंपॉर्टेंट तो क्या देखने लायक है, इकोनॉमी कैसी है. इट कैन बी ऑफ सिटी, स्टेट के बारे में भी लिख सकते हो. इवन आई वुड सजेस्ट कि स्टेट के बारे में भी लिखना, नियर बाय स्टेट्स के बारे में भी लिखना. इफ़ नॉट, लाइक इफ़ यू कान डू दैट, तो स्टेट के बारे में तो लिख ही लेना. And then comes the questions, which are like very important and as basic for every other MBA college interview. ठीक है. First question being, tell me something about yourself. तो what you have written in story of my life ना, वो जितने भी pages का होगा उसको summarize करके like 60 seconds का आंसर आराम से बन जाएगा उसमें. ठीक है, इन शॉर्ट आपको बताना है. सो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद what's your name, the city in which you were born and brought up, the college, the co-curriculars you had in college, the work ex, what you learned from the work ex, any awards that you received, volunteering experience हो गया. ठीक है, उसके बाद and your interest, hobbies वगैरह वगैरह. Then comes the second most important question, which is why MBA? Like, why do you actually want to do MBA? This is basically, you have to think in your mind कि करना क्यों है, रीज़न क्या है. किसी का रीज़न होता है ट्रांजिशनिंग फ्रॉम वन रोल टू अनदर, किसी का होता है टू गेट गुड पैकेजेस, किसी का होता है टू बिल्ड नेटवर्क्स फॉर द बिजनेस इफ दे आर प्लानिंग टू हैव वन. बट द थिंग इज़, यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट योर आंसर इन सच अ वे जिसमें तुम्हारा पर्पस बहुत स्पेसिफिक दिख रहा है, दैट कोई सामने वाला बता सकता है कि या शी हैज़ और ही हैज़ सम शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स एंड लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स. ठीक है, I can make a separate video on this, how I had written my answer. So just let me know in the comment section. Okay. Then comes the strength and weakness. This is like very tricky an important question, because when we like, I'll say myself when I was writing this as like, strength तो कुछ है नहीं, weakness ही weakness है, कैसे लिखूं? But ऐसा होता नहीं. You are very strong and you have so many strength. बस make sure whenever you are writing strengths and weakness, strength में you write, if you wrote some point like you are very detail oriented, so you have to show कि कहाँ पे आपने ये वाला अप्लाई किया है अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को. Similarly, if you say weakness में, if you say that you over analyze everything and that is why decision making बहुत slow progress हो जाता है. So you have to make sure कि उस weakness के लिए बता रहे हो how you actually are working on your weakness. This is the important point कि स्ट्रेंथ को कैसे स्ट्रेंथन कर रहे हो एंड कहाँ पर कर रखा है उसका यूज़, एंड वीकनेस को कैसे कम करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स यू आर डूइंग. देन कम्स दिस वेरी स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन विच इज़ वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो हर कॉलेज के लिए अपना बस नेम ऐड करके पूछ लेगा. वाई GIM? वाई गोवा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट? वाई नॉट एनी अदर कॉलेज? व्हाट स्पेसिफिक थिंग दैट यू लाइक अबाउट दिस कॉलेज ओनली? सो इसमें क्या होता है, बेसिकली यू हैव टू मेंशन व्हाई, इफ़ यू हैव गिवन ऑल द चांसेस, व्हाई डू यू हैव टू चूज ओनली दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज. सो यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट इट. व्हाट लाइक खुद सोचो कि जब फॉर्म भर रहे थे, जब कुछ कर रहे थे, कुछ ऐसा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा होगा, वेदर इट्स द ब्रांड वैल्यू, फैकल्टी और alumni network or any other program or a specialization something it offer, तो वो चीज़ खुद सोचनी पड़ेगी. Okay, now comes to technical questions. So this was something जिसके लिए मुझे बहुत डिफ़िकल्टी हो रही थी, since I have left my job last year to pursue or prepare for entrance exams of CAT and ZAT and everything. तो मैं like graduation भी बहुत पहले हुई थी, so it's like all blank right now. So what I did was I used ChatGPT. I wrote a prompt saying that I need technical questions regarding my subjects. I wrote all the subjects for college and it provided me a list of around 60 questions, all technical and all very good questions. And similar to that, I also wrote for the job, the work I did. I told everything, like wrote down everything in the prompt, and it gave me around 50 questions, technical ones, which are good. So if you guys need prompt for all the technical questions, you can just comment and I'll share it. Share the prompt in the comment section and just pin it. Okay, so as I told you, I just started the preparation today. So the pro tip of today, if I would say, is whenever you are learning the answer of your, whether it's tell me something about yourself or why MBA, whenever you're learning, just make sure you write it down in a A4 size sheet paper or print it out or have it in your phone and you're walking, learn while walking. Or second thing, most important thing is repeat or say in front of the mirror, talk in front of the mirror, ask yourself questions. It will not only boost your confidence but also help you maintain that posture, or you could say body language, which was really helpful while you are giving the interview. Okay, and if in case कि आप आंसर याद कर रहे हो बार बार, स्टिल आंसर याद नहीं हो रहा है, आई सजेस्ट कि लिख के देखो. एंड इफ़ यू कैन नॉट डू दिस रटिफिकेशन, जस्ट रिमेंबर कि इस पॉइंट के बाद ये आता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एक पूरा पैराग्राफ आपने लिखा हुआ है वाई MBA का, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज उसके पॉइंटर्स जस्ट वन वर्ड कर सकते हो कि यू हैव टू से दिस ब्रिज गैप और ट्रांजिशन, ऐसे करके पॉइंटर्स बना सकते हो. इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी हेल्पफुल. ओके, सो दैट्स इट. आज का ज्ञान हो गया. बट फॉर प्रॉम्प्ट ऑफ टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस आई वुड सजेस्ट कि कमेंट कर देना एंड आई विल जस्ट कमेंट द प्रॉम्प्ट और मैं उसको पिन कर दूंगी. सेकेंड इज़ फॉर फ्री रिसोर्सेज ऑफ वैट GTPI, डिस्क्रिप्शन वीडियो में मिल जाएगा. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, अगर इफ़ एनीवन वांट्स टू जॉइन अ ग्रुप, WhatsApp group in which we share resources of WAT GTPI, तो वो मेंशन कर देना एक बार कमेंट में, उसका भी लिंक कमेंट में पिन कर देंगे. एंड विद दिस I wish you all the very best for Achievers round of GIM. Do let me know once your interview is done how it went. बाकी मैं वीडियोस पोस्ट करती रहूँगी if I get to know anything else about, or if there is any change in my strategy of preparation, or I got any other call. Yeah, तब तक के लिए bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.